Welcome! I'm Josie. I'm the Thirsty Canary, and I'm thirsty for knowledge. And I am a canary because I'm sensitive to a lot of things out there in our environment. And I want to talk to you and help to grow a community of like minded people, of thirsty canaries that want to learn more or have better quality lives and just learn more about all these different chemicals and ingredients that are in our foods, in our cleaning products, in our environment, just everywhere. So let's work on that. Today, let's talk about probiotics. So probiotics are one of my favorite supplements out there, actually. They are pro-life. That's what essentially probiotic means, versus an antibiotic, which is really to kill life. But sometimes you do need an antibiotic, and it's good because it does kill the bad bugs, but it's bad because it kills the good bugs too. So if you do take an antibiotic, it's always good to take a probiotic afterwards. And there are different kinds of probiotics is the other thing I definitely want to talk about. There is a lot of different types like bacterial, fungal, even spore-based, which is from the soil. They're probably one of the better ones. And they're relatively new. I don't know if you've even heard of them. Maybe not. They may be a whole new thing. And probiotics, I think, pretty much has been around for a while, and it's been really promoted now. Lots of people, I've heard of it. Probably almost everyone has heard of a probiotic. It's in yogurt. They put it in actually a lot of different things now. But are they truly effective? That's the question. And not all probiotics are created the same, are also what other ingredients are in the probiotics. Again, part of being a thirsty canary is really reading ingredients. So you might need to get some of those glasses, those magnifying glasses out to be able to read all of these labels because the writing is typically really small. Now, if you are taking an antibiotic, should you take a probiotic? Yes, but not at the same time, because they could possibly cancel each other out and make both of them ineffective. So you're just really wasting your time and your money. It is best to space them out an hour to 2 hours apart. Personally, I usually try to do 2 hours apart. I really want to have the effectiveness, as much as I can. So, the further away, the better. And, again, read your labels. A lot of these probiotics are actually for milk, are dairy-based. And if you are sensitive to dairy, as I am, then it's not a good thing. It's interesting. At first, I was taking probiotics, and it's funny, people take probiotics and they're like, oh, they're really good for your digestion. They help you with constipation. And, well, yes and no. I have to admit, it did, but it's only because I have issues with dairy, and therefore my body tries to eliminate it as quickly as possible. So it wasn't really the probiotic, it was the dairy that was in it. So I wasn't getting the good effects because I was getting more inflammation. So I, again, make sure that they are a non-dairy based probiotic for me. And as I said, there's different types. There's bacterial, like the lactobacillus, acidophilus, rhamnosus, bifidobacterium. Those are a few on the bacteria side. Then there's the fungal side. Saccharomyces boulardii is pretty popular on that one. And then there's spore-based, which is fairly new, but it's really, I'd say it's probably a more effective probiotic for the most part. I know when I started taking it, the results were awesome. Honestly, you really did notice more of a difference. So you might want to take a look into that and see if you can get a spore-based probiotic. Other things that I wanted to mention were just, it's good to rotate different types of probiotics. You don't always want to take the same one, forever. And, because your body, these probiotics are these good bugs, is what they're called a lot of times, is they are helping you to digest your food. And actually, probiotics help to create B vitamins in our gut. So if you're low or deficient in B vitamins, probiotics can actually help you and make B vitamins and help you, with that. So again, probiotics have a lot of good uses. It's not just digestive, but that's a huge perk. But then again, like I said, B vitamins are also another benefit from it. And there are different probiotics. There are the regular gut microbiome, and then, well, being a woman, there are vaginal probiotics, and they're actually oral vaginal probiotics. I don't know if you've heard about them, but I've tried them and they're awesome. Honestly, if you have difficulty keeping and maintaining a good pH, then I would recommend it. Especially as you get older, sometimes, estrogen hormones get a little wacky. It's harder to maintain your pH. And vaginal probiotics can really help with a lot of that. I was on a prescription probiotic. It was good. It was great. I was so happy for about a year, maybe a little more. And then they kind of started losing their effect. So then I just went on a regular, not really over the counter, but it was online, a different kind of vaginal probiotic. And now these are amazing. So even with the vaginal probiotics, you have to change those out every once in a while too. It's amazing. If we listen and pay attention to our bodies, they are trying to tell us, what they need, what they want. And, well, that's part of the challenge also, of being a thirsty canary and listening and learning. Not easy, but it's worth it. Quality of life, being happy, being, just joyful in the skin that we're in, and being grateful for everything. So, thank you so much for joining me, and let me know what you think. Let me know what you've been taking for probiotics and what's been working, what's not working for you. And if you have any questions, let me know what else you'd like to talk about. So, see you again. Bye, canaries.